What up, PM gang, man? On my way to go pick up this package, man. Just got off work. It's kind of fucking hot today. Like, no lie, it was kind of hot today. But, made it through. I weathered the storm. You feel me? But anyways, man, I see y'all when I go pick up this package. I'm not stopping at home. I'm going straight to go pick up this package. Then I'm going home so I can shower and get this review out ASAP. See y'all in a little bit, gang. Yeah, man, just picked up that package. This package real light, man. It's some lightweight shoes. Or I hope it's some lightweight shoes, but yeah. Package right there, man. See y'all at the crib.
Lately I've been stacking to get my bread up. Fucking hoes, I know my bitch been getting fed up. You best stop playing with my niggas, you can get your head bust. And all my niggas locked away right now, boy, keep your head up. It's hard, but it's gon' ease up. Work hard and get your cheese up, and it's gon' take some work, dog. I had to roll these sleeves up, she know that I don't need her. Nigga, you can keep her, can't fuck with that little greedy bitch. I'm trying to get my jeans stuck. They say it's money outside, so I'ma chase it. Play with me, you ain't gon' make it. Take it how you want.
Just got in, man. Just got in the crib with that package, man. About to go ahead and take me a quick shower, man. Hop up in this shoe room. Let y'all see what I just got, man. Let's get it, gang. What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. And I am back with another unboxing for you all today, man. And to be honest, this box feels lighter than the first couple boxes I got in this silhouette. The way the box look, it don't look like I really need the knife, but we're going to have it on deck just in case. Enough all the talking. Let's get into the shoe. It don't look like I really need the box. Got this little thing up. Okay, I'm tired of it. Cutting it. Okay, that should have been it. Still struggling. What? What the fuck? No way. I just won it. I just got them. This can't be that. Wow. What the fuck? Well, flash that through. Wow, I just ordered these. Like, I just got these. What the fuck was this? Like, first day, 2-day shipping? What the hell? I literally just got. Oh yeah. Gotta get that. Hold up. Gotta get this out the way. I literally just got these, and they shipped this fast. That's crazy. Nike box. Y'all know the traditional. These are the Nike React Element 87s. Desert Sand Cool Gray. And I literally just ordered these though. Like, and bling, blow, fur on the shoes, man. How did these come? I ordered the Just Done's and they still not here. And I got like the random drop they did and they still not here. These just came out like a couple days ago or whatever. And I got these already. Whatever. Let me give y'all that full 360 on the shoe. I don't know what's up with that. No, one of these felt so light. I'm like, why does the box feel light? I'm thinking it's the Just Done. I got some Just Done's coming, the ones that I actually wanted. I got them on the way. And yeah, but these came first for whatever reason. But let's get into it. don't really matter what shoe we start off with, so I'm gonna start off with this one since it's kind of like a tradition to kind of start off with the right shoe. I guess it's been going on for a while now. This shoe is really fucking light. Like, look at this shit. Like, this shoe is really, like, it's really light. Like, this is nothing. This is all whatever. That's crazy. This is where shoes is going nowadays. I'm just saying. But let's start out with the toe box. Of course, you have this netting type material. On the toe box, you have a little gray swoosh. This is like a tan color. Right here along the toe box, this is like a tan color. This is also like a, this is like a brown. This is like a brown. I guess it's that desert sand color. I don't know, but this is a brown. They have some. This ain't suede, but this is like, it feel like suede, but it's like a foam, like a cool gray, and a little foam material right there. Black lace system. On the lace tips, you have a tree. That's a tree. And on this one, you have a Nike swoosh on that. The highlighted green right there on the lace holder. Regular lace holders are the same cool gray with a lighter gray. This shoe is really fucking light. Big swoosh. Have a dark gray swoosh right here. All this is translucent. You can see through it. You can see through that. On the tongue, also like a brownish purple with, let me see if this is gonna focus. Are you gonna focus? Nike React on the tongue. I can't believe how light this shoe is. Again, with the brownish purple. This is a weird color purple. I mean brown, but it's definitely brown though. Certain light, it looked kind of purple. But yes, going on the side, like the side of the heel, I guess. This would be technically the side, so this would be like the ankle support area. Dark, nope. Yeah, this is a dark gray with the lime highlighted green stitching going all the way to the highlighted green pull tag. I'm going to assume this is 3M since this is like a running shoe or a walking shoe of some sort. This will probably be 3M upside down swoosh. This is actually suede. I don't know why would they put suede at the back, but this is actually suede though. Nike React right there. No, there's no support. This is not a basketball shoe, but I still like that little support system back there, but there's no support on the ankle, heel, collar, whatever. The inside, the insole looks pretty nice. It looked like a cork. That's exactly what it looks like. The whole design is like a cork. You have the big swoosh. What is that? Nike React. You have the tag. The tag right there, size 9. Have these holes going through, I guess, breathing holes, so while you're running or whatever, the feet won't be sweaty or nothing. This feels, everything about this shoe feels funny. This right here is like cotton. This is like cotton in the inside. This right here is like, this feels like suede. They got suede on the inside for whatever reason. I don't know why they put suede on the inside. I mean, Midsole of the shoe will probably be the dirtiest. All white midsole with the lime green, hence all lime greens mainly on the heel of the shoe. Midsole is mainly all white. Have a little Nike swoosh there. The outsole of the shoe, I like this lime green, even though people really not gonna see it except on the side, but this actually look kind of good. And you have that foam material on the outside, lime green, little pattern on the outside, Nike React on the heel. My honest opinion about these shoes, they not my cup of tea, honestly. Not my cup of tea at all. You know, I don't know what the hype about them is or was, but yeah. And this is also like, it's not buttery, but this is a leather. This right here, as well as this, is like a leather. But yeah, this is it. This shoe is not my cup of tea. I just wanted to see what's the fuss about the shoe. But yeah, man, don't forget, if you like the content, make sure you hit that like button, share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.
Take it. Me, myself, I'm not so basic. Load the K and play free 80s. Call a bitch, I know she basic, but her neck just too amazing. I keep a bag like old ladies. Keep a whip, I'm slave trading. Bad bitch gon' give me faces. She know not to look for payment. 18 with a sack, so damn old, it might be 80. I won't let a nigga play me. You can die for playing crazy. I need diamonds around my neck and wrist. I'm trying to get a check from this. The streets will get the rent paid, but a single song can make me rich. But I'ma just do both, I'm indecisive. Freakly, I need to write them, but I've been working like you said. Your time been fucking with my head, man. It's crazy how the times change. It's funny how they be old niggas and they mind change. Y'all in the present, I'm in a whole nother time frame. I had a dream and I seen that my time came. Yeah, my time came. Lately I've been stacking to get my bread